May I start raising some questions, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, to the two parties, Mr. Presiding Officer, just for the guidance of the court, and I think it's important that we distinguish between two separate procedural questions. Una, kung dapat po bang i-produce ang hinihinging records, at pangalawa, kung ang mga records na iyon ay magiging admissible at kung anong evidentiary weight ang dapat ibigay sa kanila. So, let me start by asking our lead prosecutor, Congressman, to our dear Congressman, would it be correct, sir, to say that the issuance of a subpoena merely compels the production of records and does not by itself amount to a ruling that those records are admissible, relevant, or entitled to evidentiary weight, Your Honor?
Before the member of the panel for prosecutors answers, he's not the lead prosecutor. The
sorry.
question is addressed to the Honorable Representative Chel Jokno, who is a member of the who is part of the panel of prosecutors who will be answering your questions. And for the record too, on the part of the respondent, I think it's Attorney Poa
Attorney Poa.
who will be answering.
That's correct.
Thank you.
So that we don't
Mr.
need to
Presiding
identify each one each time anymore for the record.
Thank you.
The Honorable Jokno may respond to the question of Senator Judge Villanueva. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon to all the members of this honorable court. Naisagot na po ata yan ni dating presiding Judge Juan Ponce Enrile doon po sa Corona impeachment case. And if I may quote just a brief portion from what he said, I would like to explain that the resolution of this court was simply to authorize the issuance of a subpoena. And whether those evidence subpoenaed are admissible evidence, given the fact that they apparently appeared in violation of existing laws, is a question that must be resolved in due course. So, ang ibig po sabihin, ang hiling lang po ng prosecution ay may labas ang ebidensya, pero wala pa po tayo dun sa punto kung tatanggapin ba nitong hukuman ang evidence na yun, kung siya po ay admissible o hindi.
Marami